The internet download command allows you to provide easy access to download data from the internet that you may need to process data in your project. And it's found on the survey tab under internet download. And what you can do here, you can see from the list, is you can select the different types of information, such as maybe precision orbits or precise orbits, Earth orientation parameters, or even NGS data sheets. You also notice there's a list for Trimble reference stations. So if I click on that, or double left click on that, it's going to open up your browser, and then from your browser you're going to see that it's going to take you to a page. In this case is the Trimble reference stations. So you could pick on your state, and then from within your state you could identify the closest one to your project, or the one that you're going to use for your project. The other option you have, besides some of the other ones that might be useful, is the NGS data sheet. So if I was to select that, double click on it again, it brings up the download parameters. And from here, you can choose user input, project center, or a point in a project. And then what I can do is set a search radius. So if I wanted to see all the ones that were maybe within 3 miles or 5 miles of my site, I could click on that, and you can see it's going to take me out to the NGS NOAA site, where I can find my NGS control points. And then from here I can pick on the one that I want to use and select get data sheet, and then it will bring me to the data sheet for this particular point. So now I have my coordinate information that I could use maybe to process my survey data, or other information that I may need using this data sheet. But that's the internet download command, and like I said, you can access it from here. With the configuration, you can come in and toggle on certain ones that you want, set up, and you can even set up new sites and groups as well. So if I was to do a new group, I could come in here and do a new site, and from that I could enter in the information, the providers, and security. If I was to select the reference station here and do a new site, you can see that I can download from a predefined list or enter the details manually. If I was to come in here and click OK, it's going to reach out and it's going to find some local providers here that I can access. So let's say that I want to access this CORS VDOT survey one. I could go ahead and do that, and you can see that it populates the information for me. So now I'll be able to use that as an internet download site.